Hey, what's going on YouTube? You're watching my day trading recap. My name is Devin and this channel is Reward Risk. Before I go over my trades, I kind of want to talk about a couple things in relation to the market. So first, the market is down huge today. Both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. A lot of pressure downwards, but both now recovering, down less than 1%. So this week, there's a lot of news that are coming out, including tomorrow, Jerome Powell is speaking. And then Wednesday, we have the CPI report. Thursday we have jobless claims, and Friday we have like retail sales. So I feel like at this week any news can hit at any point, so I'm be very cautious in what I'm trading and how I'm trading. I took 2 trades early this morning and 1 winner and 1 loser. Overall I'm up a little bit over $5,000 today. And let's get into the trade. So the first ticker that I traded on the day was Coinbase. It showed up on my scanner and it was down pre-market. So when the market opened here on this first big candle, I tried to get in on the second candle. I was actually hoping for a slight pullback to the green side, which never materialized. I sold a majority of my position on the fourth red candle here. I was just waiting for this to come back, to kind of pop up and then continue downward. This move felt kind of artificial. There was never any buying, only selling. And so when this started popping back up, I tried sizing in on the short side. And then over here, I thought this was going to break. It didn't break. On this green candle here, it was higher than the last high. So I sold, and on this trade, I was down in total about $2,000. At first I was up about $500–600. The second ticker that I traded today was Tesla. So Tesla down pre-market huge, under $1,000. It closed yesterday on Friday it closed at 1,025, and it was down huge this morning. I had a thesis on the stock, and that the thesis was that the stock is going to hold $1,000. If we look at the daily chart, we know that there's a lot of support around this $1,000, and the only reason that it had broken the $1,000 mark over here was because of Elon selling the stock. So going into it, my thesis is that this is going to hold $1,000. And even though this looked really choppy on the minute chart, I was also watching the 5-minute chart. And so on the 5-minute chart, you can see that this was holding a support here, holding a support there, and looking for a move up. And then I got in on this candle here, and then I added as the support was holding. Over here, it looked like it could have started going down again. But again, like I said, the thesis this morning coming to this trade was that Tesla's going to hold $1,000. And over here, I started scaling out. We went for a second round right here. After this sell-off right here, I tried to go long. And actually, I thought I was stopping out over here, but apparently I hit the buy button instead of the sell button, and I didn't realize this. So I left my desk, and then later I came back. I was like, oh crap. And later, I saw that I was actually still in the stock, so I kind of sold it for a little bit more profit, thank God. So I hope you had a good trading day, and that's it from me. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.